Shenandoah University's new class of 2028. Welcome to your new favorite class, the birds, the bees, and beyond. With Shenandoah's Provost, Dr. Karen Abraham, and your FYS mentor, Aaron Spalding. This isn't your grandma's sex ed class. We will cover a variety of topics surrounding reproductive and sexual health, in addition to issues affecting women today, such as violence, sexuality, and more. You will have opportunities to get all your embarrassing questions answered anonymously through Q&As, hear from multiple guest speakers, and learn how to use your voice in advocacy. We will look at all these topics in our nation, as well as how it affects women globally. Have a great summer, and see you in the fall.